What's going on, guys? Septic here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the issue with not being able to flip your Mac camera on a Mac laptop, on a Mac display, anything that really can run Chrome. This will work. So first step you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to Video Mirror, one word. It's a Chrome extension that you can get on Chrome. So once you click here, it's usually the first link. It's pretty recent, November 24th it was released. I already have it installed right here, but all you're gonna have to do is do one click install or download, whatever it is, and it'll show up right over here. So the next thing you're gonna be able to do is you're gonna go maybe a new tab and go to maybe Google Meet, a Zoom, Omegle, whatever really uses a camera that's available on Chrome. So let's go to a Google Meet. So I'm gonna show you how to flip your camera with this Chrome extension. So right here, I'm raising my left hand, so it's already in use, but let's switch it back. I'm gonna go to Hush Fund. Oh, not Hush Fund. Video Mirror. So right now, it's normal. Right now, it's flipped, right? So we're gonna flip it back because this is my bad side. So now it's right now normal, and that's it. It works for everything. Yeah. And guys, make sure you like the video. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate it. And have a good day, guys.